Okay, so as I told you earlier, we have the fault is on the. I have many faults because I have disconnect many sensors. This fault comes because or the EGR. Now I'm measuring the 5-volt power supply for the EGR position sensor, and down there, as you can see, is the fuel rail pressure. Yes, it's connected to his plug. Yes, okay, and the multimeter said that the voltage is 3.13 volts, around 3 volts. Okay, so if I disconnect the fuel rail pressure sensor, this is the sensor that comes with the car. I have the voltage reference 5 volt. Yes, and where is it? I have a spare part, an old one, still 5 volt. Yes, okay, and I connect the spare fuel rail pressure sensor. I have almost 5 volt. So this fuel rail pressure causes all these problems. But the nasty thing is that the car starts first time and drove around 100 kilometers. Now, if I clear the DTCs, of course, I will still have some DTCs because I have many sensors disconnected. Yes, because it's disconnected, But the P0698 with the power supply DTCs is out of here. Okay? It's not here anymore. But I still have 5 volt, yes? But if I take the sensor, the old one, come out, and I put it back again, okay, my power goes to 3.2. Hit the clear button and we wait a little bit. Okay, so this is for sure. So the DTC, the P0698-62 is back again. So the fuel rail pressure sensor have some internal problems and puts down the 5 volt reference voltage that is sharing with the EGR valve position sensor. So I think now the problem it's solved. But in other models, as you can see here, the EGR, it's sharing his power supply with a turbocharger intercore bypass actuator position sensor and the camshaft position sensor. So one of these three components, EGR, total position sensor, turbocharger intercooler bypass actuator, or camshaft position sensor, if one of these three has an internal problem and put down the 5-volt reference voltage, the car refuses to start because the camshaft position sensor remains without power. So no signal to the PCM. So engine in some cases is not gonna start. My case and my thing is here. This is my EGR valve position sensor, and this is the fuel rail pressure sensor that are sharing the same 5-volt reference voltage. So I think we are done with this after many work and many searches. Thank you.